Wait. Wait.
What is it?
Wait, I said wait. I cannot really explain what happened right now. This clothes. Just wait. Hold on. Go inside.
What happened?
I said go inside until you get a word from me.
Drop your machete.
I should drop my machete.
Yes.
What is it? What is it?
Let's go.
How many times inside this bush? How many times are we going to be doing like man and woman inside bush? It's a shameful act. We have a home. When we get home, we do it behind closed door. If someone sees us, what would be the record in the village? It's a shameful act to be done inside bush. Please.
Let's go.
What?
Let's go.
Beautiful. The test of revenge is. Oh my God.
Adako.
What happened to her?
Adako. She has been lying down like this for hours and I called you to stay with her so that I can go to the neighboring village and get her drugs. Please.
Hold on. Okay, did you lay your hands on her?
Adako, I will never do such. I will never do such. I will protect her as my wife.
Then you're a weak man. Okay. If she could get her to this estate under your protection, what do you call yourself? A man? Huh?
Adako, do you know that if we say blame, it will help us in this situation? Stay with her, let me go and get her medication.
Please spare me that. I will not rest until felt double of what you served me. You wicked, selfish human being. My revenge has just started. But anyways, I am going to blast the sister for now, but just know that the game just started.
All I could remember was working at the farm. From the farm, I saw myself here. I can't remember any other thing.
Nothing much.
I'm telling you. Honey? Are you okay? What happened? You look troubled. Did I come back from the farm before you? I woke up to see my sister beside me and you were nowhere to be found. What really happened? Have I been sleeping for hours? Because I woke up so tired.
I think I should take my leave from here. Sister, alright, be safe. Let me start going now.
Start going now.
Yes, I have something to fix at home. So bye.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye.
See you later.
Alright, thank you. Honey, you're not saying anything.
I'll be right back. What's happened?
You need to go back to your wife. She needs you now. Okay?
I know. But how did you do it?
Do what?
I was with her for hours, waiting for her to wake up. All to no avail. Just for me to leave few minutes. All of a sudden she's awake with you seated, talking, as if nothing happened. How did you do it?
Okay. She's my sister, of course. And she hears my voice. Go back to your wife. Stubborn to have inherited this from you, but you showed me the test of powers and I went for it.
Mother, you called me. You want to send me an appointment?
Yes.
Powers.
We're outside.
Let's do it now.
Let's do what? No, man, what is wrong with you? You've not recovered from what happened to you the other time.
Let's go.
Take a moment.
Oh, let's go.
No, man, let's go. What is your problem? No, man. Norma.
Okay. I think I should start going home now. She's getting better.
Adako. What came into my home lately is difficult for me to understand. And it is obvious that you are gifted. Please, do not be in a hurry to go home. Stay with us for some time. We are family. Please, at least for the peace of this home, please, stay with us.
Just as I wanted it. Yes. Okay, I will stay.
Thank you. Thank you so much. How is she doing?
Oh, she's much better now.
Thank you. Wait.
What is it?
Wait, I said wait. I cannot really explain what happened right now. This clothes. Just wait, hold on. Go inside.
What happened?
I said go inside until you get the word from me.
What is it now? What's wrong with you?
Wait, I cannot really explain. But I believe this must be the reason your sister do have constant urge and weakness after the act. She must be informed immediately.
I don't understand. What is happening? What really happened?
Go back inside. I don't know. Go inside, stay there until you get a word from me.
Ada. Adako, what my husband explained to me that happened earlier today is so familiar to me. I would have said that trick is from our family if our mother was still alive. What do you have to say about it?
Sister, you remind me of our late mother and her powers. I was so close to her. May her soul rest in peace.
Adako, something in me tells me that you are behind the encounter my husband had earlier today.
What?
Yes. Now my question is, Adako, where did you get such power? And why are you using such power?
And how are you sure that I waste such powers? Norma.
Adako, no one in this village or around this environment has ever experienced or encountered such power. So start talking.
It was one of the powers our late mother used when she was alive. But she did away with those powers and the fetish things. Because none of her children shared the same faith with her. And I managed to steal this particular one from her.
Can you hear yourself, Adako? You stole power. Even as a Christian, you went to steal charm. Adako, are you okay? Are you kidding me or something?
I am not kidding, Norma. I am not using it negatively or maliciously, or have I?
Adako,
what?
Are you aware that this power requires constant sacrifice? Adako, and failure to do it incurs danger. How do you expect to cope with this?
I am very much aware.
So how do you intend to do it?
It doesn't require much. It's only a kola nut every 3 days, isn't it?
Adako, I am not comfortable with this power. You must do away with it immediately. You don't need it.
Sister, I am sorry, but I am not going to do away with it. Do you know why? It serves me well.
Ada, you have to choose between me and that charm. Light and darkness has nothing in common.
And I chose both of you because both of you are so important to me.
It's an insult to me, Adako. Adako, it is an insult to me to choose me and charm together. What is wrong with you?
If it is an insult, deal with it. Yes. Because I am not going to take any more intimidation from you.
Shut up, Adako. You don't talk to me in such manner. I am still your elder sister and I have never intimidated you before.
Norma, the fact that you are my elder sister doesn't make me a minor. Do you get that? I'm a grown-up now and I have every right to make choices for myself. Talking about intimidation, Norma, when you hurt someone, you may forget easily. But that one who is offended will never and can never forget.
Adako,
what?
I have never offended you before. I have never. All I did is to care for you as my younger sister.
Shut it! Shut it! Norma! Shut it! I have been the one standing in for you. I have been the one. I have been the one, you selfish bitch! Keep quiet! Hit me, no! Norma, hit me! And you will see the beast
okay. See, I know it's your choice, okay? But listen, what I'm saying is this. Please, since you want to keep using that power, don't use it while you are still here. Please, not in my house and not around this environment. Please.
I have heard you. I promise not to use that magic powers around your home anymore.
Hadako, I know how intoxicating that power can be. Can I trust you for your word?
Trust me, it's a promise.
Sure?
Sure.
Alright, it's okay.
It's okay, sorry.
Did I hurt you?
It's okay.
Are you okay?
I was hearing some strange sounds, so I decided to check inside our room.
That was a sound from my phone. I was actually watching a movie.
That was the same sound I heard the other day. A sound from your phone?
Yes. What sound are you talking about?
Don't worry. Just I felt like strange things are... But never mind. I was about going out.
Alright. I have longed to bear your name, but my sister felt she could be faster than her shadow. No, don't put it there. Let me let you go and bring back. Now you didn't bring any pan. Okay, don't worry. Sister,
how are you?
There is something I have longing to ask you.
Okay, I'm listening. Yes. What is that?
Do you have anything serious to do with Nwoke?
Dako, what kind of question is that? Yeah? Well, Nwoke is just my friend, that's all. Why do you ask?
Nwoke is your friend and nothing much. I know why I'm asking this thing, sister. Because I don't see how two grown-up adults would be walking around the village without having something going on between them. Let me ask you again. Do you have something going on between you and Nwoke? Or do you intend to engage into, something serious with him tomorrow.
Adak. Adak, what? I don't like the way you are sounding. I don't like it. Well, to answer your question, it is not morally right for a woman to go and meet a man to ask him to have something serious to do with her. It is not. If Nwoke wants more than what we share, he will be the one to meet me and tell me that. I am not in a hurry.
Keep waiting, okay? I have not seen a woman who does not understand that man's time and the woman's time are not the same. They are different. Women should be desperate, yes, when it comes to love and relationship. But anyways, I don't care about your own belief. I have gotten what I wanted. It's simple that you have nothing to do with him. You both are just village walkabout. Don't worry, let me go and get my knife and the bath inside.
Okay, I'm there with you. And then Kuzo Daku. Go and bring the pan.
I may not understand this.
Look at this woman.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Adako. What is it?
Okay, of our own village. Is it not working?
What?
For the past 2 to 3 years, you have been walking around hands to hands with my sister Norma. You have not touched her. Do you have anything down there? Anyway, she made it clear to me today that you both are just friends. Nothing much. But come on, okay. Don't you think that you need more than that? Don't you?
Adako, you're a brave woman and I respect that. But I like your sister. I am not free.
I don't doubt the fact that you like my sister and she likes you too. But come on, okay. You need more than this. Or do you think that God made you, mold you to be this handsome just to be friends? No, come on now. You need something better. You need something serious. Don't you think so?
Adako, like I said, I like your sister. And it's clear that I walk around the village with her. Meaning that what will be big or bigger tomorrow must have to start with a step.
Oh, come on, okay. Can't you see that you are the only matured and ripe, handsome, well-decorated man in this our village? And you want a woman, an unserious woman, it's a taboo for an unserious woman to hold you tight without doing something positively, something good. Come on. MTK, I like you. I love you. I want us to
to engage into something serious? Or is your mother not working? What are you still doing with my sister? If she doesn't want, she make the way so that someone like me will come in.
Enough.
Oh, come on, don't say
enough,
that.
Enough
Don't
of
say
that. Enough.
Oh, come on.
Enough.
Okay.
Adako, enough.
Look at me. Just take a look at me.
Adako, I said enough.
Okay, stop it.
Enough of this.
Don't be a kid here. Come on.
Adako, I am with your sister. Don't do this. Sorry.
Sorry to yourself. Anyway, I, Adako, whatever I seek for, whatever I want, that shall I get. I don't fail. I don't play a ball which I don't score goals. I am the Adako. You can keep running for all I care, but definitely I will get you. Adaku! 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 Where is she? Come here! What is that for? What happened?
What is wrong with you?
What's happened?
Are you normal?
I don't understand.
Adako, are you normal? What sort of confrontation was that?
What are you talking about?
I'm talking about Moki. Why did you say those words to him? Why did you tell Moki that his mba is not working? And why did you tell Moki that he should not be with me, but you? Why? Adako!
Hey, is this all the Adako are about? Is he not of your sister? Is he not of you that you are lady to Mba? So when we see something made for eating, something delicious, she will start rubbing it and allow it to freeze away as it is hot. My sister, when you see Mba, you eat it, you grab it, you devour it. Yes, when they see you and call you Olimba, you will be proud to answer that. But if you are not ready, you clear the way. There are other persons who is ready. Okay? You can't just block the way and you won't allow you will not eat it and won't allow other person to come and do it.
Adaku! There are so many Mba in this village. If you want Mba, look for another Mba. Leave Moke alone.
He is the only. I may not be opportuned to bear your name, to be called by your surname, but I have given myself the opportunity to share your body. And nothing, I mean nothing, can ever stop that. Not even my sister. For how long am I going to continue like this? Selling something that I know I can take and own all by myself. I cannot keep using my sister's body. It is time to take over completely. Okay. We are made for each other, And since you fail to acknowledge that, I will help you to do that. Norma. Norma. We shall see.
What trouble are you into? And why is Nwoke still sleeping by this time of the day? What is it? Is everything alright?
Adako, what do you have with my husband?
What? What could I possibly have or share with your husband? What could in-laws have or share? If not, pleasantries and support where necessary, no? I don't understand your question.
Adako,
Yes?
a few minutes ago, my husband was confessing his regrets not marrying you. And how I am the biggest mistake of his life. How marrying me was the biggest mistake of his life. When did all this start?
I understand your pain, sister. But before we engage into pointless argument, let me ask you once again. Why is he lying down like this? What is wrong with him? What happened to him?
I don't know. Maybe I should ask you that question. All I could remember is I heard him confessing those statements about me. And out of anger, I slapped him.
What?
He walked into the bush and I followed him, only to find him lying on the ground, unconscious.
Norma, owing to how Nwoke loves you, because I know so much that he loves you, there is no doubt about it. And what you just narrated, or should I say explained now, I think you should put more focus to find out who is responsible to what just happened to him. I know he's a man and sometimes he behaves like one, but seeing him lying down unconscious it's out of it totally. It's what I don't understand.
Adako, how do men behave?
See sister, it's not right to start discussing the nature of men. Why he's lying down like this. Okay, he needs help. I know men and their excesses, and you as a married woman, you don't need to start thinking about it. If you do, my sister, you will not stay in your marriage. Yes. I know he has been coming for me. Yes. It will stand strange to you, you know. But I will not accept him. I always reject his advances. You're my sister, come on now. I will not accept something that will destroy your marriage. Don't you trust me again? But the question is, if I reject him, will other girls out there reject him too. That is the case. But anyway, let's talk about his health now. Should we take him to chemist or pharmacy? Anyway, just do something. Stop about this now. Stop this. Let's talk about his health. Why are you staring at me like that? This is your husband we're talking about.
Adakwa, I don't need your help. Thank you.
You don't need my help. She's determined to find out what I do in secret.
What is going on here? Someone I saw not long ago in the bush has gotten home before me. I hope she has not started using that power against my warning. What is going on here? A lot of strange things are happening in my house lately. I would have said that she's the one behind what is happening. But it all started even before she came to stay with us. But that was too fast. To get home before me. What is going on?
You are awake. How are you?
I am fine. What happened to me?
I don't know. I just saw you on the ground unconscious. How are you feeling?
My body's aching me. But I'm okay.
Sorry, let's go inside. Let me get water to drink. You said you regret not marrying my sister Adako. That marrying me was the biggest mistake of your life.
Never.
Those were your exact words.
Never. Never. I will never regret being with you. I will never, ever regret getting married to you. Where is all these things coming from?
I found you in the bush path, unconscious. What happened?
You said this before, but I'm going to tell you that I have not been able to figure out what happened to me, or when I said those words. What is happening in my house? What is going on here?
I should be the one there with him by now. They are supposed to be fighting because of what the husband said about her. Look at them. Playing like little children. Okay. We shall see.
Noma, what's the meaning of this? What is the meaning of this? Huh?
I hate you, okay? You disgust me. Don't ever lay your filthy hands on me again.
Noma. Noma. Adaku. 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 What is it? Adaku. Adaku. Where is your sister?
Why are you looking for my sister? Oh, you want to continue from where you stopped? You think I don't know about your secrets? Well, sorry to disappoint you. I know about your secrets. Keep looking for her. You will see her.
Who are you? Who are you?
I am Norma. The woman the husband left for her younger sister like a he-goat. That is who I am. That is who I am.
You are calling me he-goat? Who is he-goat? Huh?
If you are my husband, then you are the he-goat. Excuse me.
What is going on? Where is Adaku? Adaku. Adaku.
Leave me in the room unattended to.
Unattended to? How many times? Unattended to? 5 good times on a stretch. Are you not tired? If you are not tired, I am tired. How many times do you want me to do it? Huh? Nonsense. Until I fall down, you know that I've done enough.
I must do everything within my powers to have you, okay? I must.
My husband, my love, Ordinovi, Mokoma, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, please. I know I've been so stupid lately. But it's just that I was upset. It's just that I'm angry. I can't imagine you having something to do with my sister Adaku. Please.
How many times have I told you? How many times have I told you that I have nothing to do with any other woman except you? How many times?
I believe you, my love. I believe you. But you know, it's not honorable, to reject a woman you call a wife. Please come with me. Okay, one. Just one.
Your one is not one. And you know it. Your one is not one. You were not like this before. All of a sudden, your one became like 10 times.
Just one. One more.
You should consider my health.
Just one. After that.
Only one. One.
How beautiful and fulfilling is the taste of possessing one's possession. I will not stop until I own everything.
Is this my wife? What has come over my wife? Has anything taken over her?
Ibe.
How is your husband?
Ibe won't come.
Mama, what is it?
Ibe, come now. Why are you running?
Are
you a child?
Mama, what is the problem?
It's just 1,500 naira. My official price.
Mama, what are you selling that you're charging 1,500?
I thought you said you want to sleep with me. Just 1,500 naira. If you add anything, it's fine.
Me? Said I want to sleep with you. When did you start this kind of business? Fear, God forbid. Me sleep with you.
Ibe, why are you doing this now?
Yeah. See here.
Ibe, it's okay. Just give me 1,500. I will follow you into the bush.
What? I am not interested. You can go into the bush alone. I am not interested. I will find out from your husband if he's aware of this.
Ibe, just stop it. Give me 1,500. I will follow you. If you are afraid of me telling anybody, I will not. I will not tell anybody. And you, I know you will not tell anybody. So let's just go inside the bush.
I'm sure your husband is not aware of this business you have gotten yourself into. And I'm going to confirm from him if he's aware.
If you like, go and tell the whole world. If you like, go and tell my husband. That's your business.
That's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to your house now to find out if your husband is aware of this kind of business. Hey, Norma. So you have changed to this point. Hey. Okay. Your husband must hear about this. You speak. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Ibe, why are you shouting my name? Why are you shouting my name?
Huh? What abomination did I hear from your wife? Huh? When did you open a business for your wife? I don't know.
Business? Abomination? What business and abomination are you talking about?
On my way to the market, I met your wife. She asked me to give her 1,500 naira in exchange for her body.
Shut up your mouth. Where? How? And when?
Look, of all these questions you just asked now, I can only provide answers to one, which is where. But as for what, where and all that, I cannot. Just follow me, let me show you where it happened.
Let me see.
Hey! Abomination! Her body! A married woman who should have respect and regard for the husband. Any push you go to, you see her. Any push you go to, you must see your wife somewhere. Come, just be coming. Oh, this is about to say, must she be opening her legs like this? Eh? Any push you put your head, you must see your wife there. Hold you up before they get. Don't even try to hide anything. Who are you with here? Where is the man that you are with here? Where is he? Come and see your wife. Look at your wife.
Norma, what is this?
Ask her.
What is going on here? Norma?
Hey, tell me. Look at it. Why have you chosen to make my friend's life miserable? Why? Why, Norma? Eh? Is there anything that other men has that your husband does not have? Why are you doing this to him? Why?
Ibe! Why are you stopping others from having the taste of what you have already tasted?
Me? Test?
Hey, Ibe!
Me?
Why are you stingy with another person's body?
It's a lie, it's a lie!
Is it your body? Is it not my own body? I can do whatsoever I like with my body. Why are both of you crying over what I did with my body? Hey, Ibe! Eh? You should leave me alone, no? Leave me alone!
No, what are you saying? That I tested it. Look at Norma, come and tell your husband the truth, Ibe. I swear.
What did she just say?
Don't mind her, she's lying. Norma, come and tell your husband the truth. Norma, because hey, please, I didn't do anything. Hey, please.
Adak. Adak. Adak.
Just the way I planned it. Time to leave this body to go possess my possession. To live without powers is like to live without flesh to cover your bones. You are all mine now. All mine! You are all mine. I apologize on behalf of my family and what my sister did to you. So shameful. But not to worry. I promise to take care of you, okay? I promise to fill the vacuum she has left in you. Don't bother yourself anymore. Just love me. Focus on me and me alone. Okay? Don't worry. Let's go inside. Let's go.
Choya, me na afia.
I don't see any.
How the person be? How the person be?
My husband now.
Okay, that one will afford to go there yesterday. No, never come this side. No, never come this side.
I did not see him.
I don't see him. Maybe if you go to that village, where you go, that side, where you go see him there.
I came from, he's not there. I came from this. Please, because Chalu,
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Okay.
here now. She may deserve forgiveness, but not immediately. She needs to feel the pains of what she did to you. Am I communicating? She needs to feel the pains of what she did to you. Give her the pain because she deserves it. One more thing. You must give her space. Avoid her for now, for your sanity. Do I make myself clear?
Yes.
She will be here now. I'm coming.
You are the worst thing that has ever happened to me.
What?
You go about the village, selling your body to anybody you set your eyes on.
What?
Listen, pretense is one thing that I will not accept from you. You loose woman.
How dare you? Eh? How dare you speak to me in such manner? Where is my respect, Moke? Eh? Where did you learn this from? And who told you this?
Is it not obvious? Is it not obvious that you are not just a loose woman, but a liar?
I have never lied to you, Moke. I have never, ever lied to you. All I can remember is that I woke up in our house and you were nowhere to be found. I don't know how I started sleeping. I don't know for how many hours I slept or how many days I've slept. That is all. And that is all I could remember.
I hate you. I regret getting married to you. I should be with your sister, not you.
You are saying something again. My husband, you left our house and you came to stay with my sister in my own father's house. Eh? Okay. Is that normal?
What do you expect? It is normal. As long as I am with a woman my heart longs for. It is normal.
Now,
I want you to leave and never come back.
What? You sound like my sister Daku.
Then what do you expect? Where there is love, there is uniformity. I love her, she loves me. We should look alike, we should sound alike. What do you expect? Leave and don't come back again.
No. No, okay. Okay.
Listen to me. Whatever you are, or whoever you are, I know my mother got these powers from river. Yes, I have come to return your properties. Yes, I gave you color. I gave you color, but you refused to take it. You rejected my color. I don't know what you want me to do. What do you want? Speak. What do you want? What do you want me to sacrifice to you?
2 human heads. You must sacrifice 2 human heads. 2 human heads.
No! I know you're not trying to tell me. Sorry, I don't have any heads. I don't have any heads. I don't have a head. Talk more of heads to give to you. No.
You know me. Have I ever acted like this before? I don't know what came over me. And it was all your sister's fault. She planned this. Yes, she was using some fetish powers to manipulate our marriage. And I vow to take care of you, and you know that, which I've been doing until your sister came in. The mistake we made was to allow her to start staying with us. I thought she was helping, not knowing that she came to scatter. She's running mad on the street right now.
What?
Yes.
Hey, okay. I won't bag it on what I get now. What? You name me. I told her. Okay, come. Okay, come. I kicked the ball. I told you Adaku cannot play a ball that she will not score a goal. Yes, this is how we used to do it. This is how we used to do it. You know? No, yes. Look at them. Look at them. Play like children. Play like children. I told you. She don't know how to play love. Can you do that? Mama can never do this. She can never do it. Thank you. What can I hear me? Mama, come here. Mama, come here. Mama, come here. I told you that I am the rightful person. The rightful person.
What those fetish things and whatever she has put her off her senses. She's on the street running around. Please forgive me. Please. I'm sorry.